All right, Keith, we got some snow headed our way in the next, I don't know, 36 hours or so.
Yeah. Basically, tomorrow night at this time, there'll be some snow, especially in the mountains and foothills, which is hard to believe because it was spring today.
It's exactly what I was going to say.
Yeah. We just skipped winter, that's all.
People running outside.
Yeah, I was telling Chris I was running in shorts. It's so warm.
Yeah, I mean, I think like this kind of weather, it is nice when you get a couple of like those last minute days. You're like, oh, I was putting this thing outside, I'll do it now. Or like,
sure.
I got to take in like the lawn furniture still. That was one I was like, okay, really? This is a good time to.
Oh, I did that before the first snow.
There are two types of people, right? They leave them out, or are yours plastic though, or are they like wood?
Metal.
Metal. Okay, so you could leave them out in theory. You just don't like it. It's not orderly.
Correct.
I get it.
I don't want them getting rusty and covered in snow.
I get it. 56 for a high today in Portland. Average high is 38. We ended up 1 degree short of the record high for today, 57 in Bangor. Big numbers, right? We had rain last night, then there was a break in the action today with some sun. Ended up being a pretty nice day. And tonight it's partly cloudy to mostly clear along the coast. There are a couple of sprinkles out there in the foothills, just down to about Sebago Lake, so we could see one of those over the next few hours. But overall, a quiet night, not particularly cold, down to about freezing, pretty uniformly. From Caribou down to Sanford, there's only a couple of degrees between us overnight tonight. And tomorrow actually turns out to be a nice day, 40 to 45, some clouds in the mountains, the rest of us a mixture of sun and clouds. It's not until tomorrow night after sunset, which is early, right? 4 o'clock, that some snow starts to work its way into the northwestern corner of the state and then slinks down to the southeast. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Initially, it's rain, Lewiston, Bangor, down to the coast. But eventually that rain snow line tries to push closer to the immediate coastline. And it has some success doing that, getting Lewiston, Augusta, Bangor into the snow. But I'm not sure it's able to get all the way to the immediate coastline. This is midnight tomorrow night. And if it does, I think it's going to have a hard time really accumulating. So we've kept snowfall totals really low along the coastline, keeping most of the accumulating snow inland. And this thing's out of here 6, 7 in the morning on Thursday. So Thursday turns out to be a decent day. Yeah, there's some snow left behind, but not a bad day, and some of it will melt in the upper 30s. So 1 to 3, under an inch, 3 to 5, not a big change. We just pushed this a little bit northwest from our map yesterday, as it does look a little bit warmer and a little bit lighter. Quiet, cold Friday. Still watching the storm on Saturday. It's pretty far out to sea, so we'll probably have to give up on it soon and just say we've got a quiet but cold weekend, especially Sunday. High temperatures on Sunday in the teens. Overnight lows, single digits. So pretty legit. Cold stuff coming in here. It looks nice, quiet for the beginning of next week if you have anything planned. A lot of people obviously have the week off, or kids do, and the parents take the week off. So not a lot going on. No major storms here. Even this Wednesday night, I think, again, mostly overnight, should not affect things in the morning. Just have to clean it up. Just a couple inches, yeah.
There you go.
Well, thank you so much, Keith.